Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 9, area of plane figures, exercise 9.2, 10th problem. So this is the last problem of this exercise and chapter. 10th problem is a horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meters by 52 meters and is tethered to one corner by a rope 21-meter long. How much area can it graze? So here we have to find how much area can it graze. That means horse can graze. So here they gave a rectangle like OABC. So let's take a horse here at the point O. It is tethering here at one of the corner of the rectangle. So it can move from here to here only because the rope measurement is 21 meters. So of course it can graze here only. So how to find this means, here they gave it is a rectangular field and it is tethering at the corner. So simply here the angle is 90 degrees. Angle is 90 degrees. And here OP equal to OQ equal to 21 meters. So we can easily find the area of the sector. So first solution is, let's take what they gave in the problem. So therefore given that length L equal to 70 meters and breadth B equal to 52 meters. So these two are the measurements of the rectangle. And here OP equal to OQ equal to 21 meters. So this is the length of the rope. So next we have to find area of this shaded region of this diagram. So area of the shaded region, which is equals to area of the sector OPQ. So equal to area of the sector, that is OPQ. So how to find the area of the sector means, I already explained in my previous videos. That means in my previous problems, that is we have relation area of the sector AS, it is denoted by AS, divided by area of circle, it is denoted by AC, equal to the angle x degrees divided by total angle of the circle, that is 360 degrees. So we can get area of sector from this relation. So from this we can write area of the sector equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into AC, that means area of the circle. When area of the circle comes to right side of the equality, it will become multiplication. So AS equal to x degrees by 360 into AC. So here x is 90 degrees because it is perpendicular, divided by 360 into AC is pi r square, because area of the circle formula is, we all know, that is equal to pi r square. If you want, you can write in the bracket, since area of the circle equal to pi r square, and here r value is 21 meters, because we can take OP equal to OQ equal to 21 meters is equal to radius. So cancellation 0 0 9 1 0 9 4 0 36. So we get 1 by 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r square means r into r, that means 21 into 21. So here 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 2 2 is 4, 2 11 is 22. So what we get, 11 into 3 into 21 by 2. So here multiplication, 11 3 is 33 into 21 divided by 2. I am doing rough work here, that is 33 into 21. 133 is 33 into 233 is a 66. So we get 693. So 693 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. Remaining 1. 3. 13. 3 6 are 12. 1 remaining. 0.10. 2 5s are 10. So we get AS as 346.5 meter square. So the final solution is therefore area of the sector or area of the shaded region equal to 346.5 meter square. So this is the final solution of this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ఈ వీడియోస్ని తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. If you want any problem with its solution in any chapter and in any class, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.